petit patafon. Hey ho, hey ho, ho ho.
This is proper gypsy style. Look at our factory workshop.
Living the life.
Nicely graffitied. Still my helmet pads on the couch. Ouais. Practice in France wouldn't be practice in France. Oh, without a petit patisserie.
Oh, la, 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 la. You will be a good guy. You will give half. If Nathan will be there, Nathan for sure will be half.
Nathan is your princess, hè?
Yes, my friend. I love you, Nathan. Also.
What's your name, sir?
Oh, am I?
What's your name?
Oh, no, thank you.
Last day riding.
I get you.
And what are you gonna do?
He good to play. Oh, the police. 3 moto, 30 moto, 30 minutes. Okay, my friend, are you ready?
Yeah, Tarnus, we go,
Are
huh?
you ready?
Yes.
With l'enfant 2.0.
Hey, it's a good cook, eh? Ouh là 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 là, la café!
Yeah, sunshine. Where is Nathan and Matteo?
They are at the house.
Ah, why? He's dead.
They prefer the telephone over the live.
I think he's dead. He's pussy, my friend. Pussy. Soda and l'enfant 1.0. Allez, see you soon, Shrek.
So we are at the local track. And what is our plan today? No rear brake. Do you think I will be faster?
Yeah.
Plus vite sans de freinage ou pas vite?
Plus vite.
Ouh là 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 là. Explain me what we're doing here today, Christophe.
Today the plan, Lars van Werker, is 3 moto, 30 minutes. Okay. Lap time every laps without rear brake. Give all because it's the last day in south, so you need to give all. And maybe tonight, if you're riding good, little Baja. Con Sona.
No, I
Baja
prefer Desperados, but I think
Oh,
it's not
so-
allowed from you, huh?
Yeah, no, but Desperados for me, yeah, for sure.
Yeah.
And red wine for Sona, your friend,
Yeah.
Joker. And you, yeah, we'll see. Depend your riding.
If I take one Desperados, I think Joel kicked me one complete week.
No, when I was kid, my trainer was Jackie Vimont.
Yeah.
And every time he told me, after a good training, you can drink Desperados.
Okay.
So now the problem, I don't train anymore. Yeah, continue to drink Desperados.
Is this the reason you're now on the salad diet?
No. Bastardo. Wow. This is for Jennifer, my wife. I need to lose some kilo. I don't know why. On the picture, I'm not so good.
So this was 10 days practicing with the crew. We're a little bit more thin now, only one rider left. Also all other soldiers are down. So no, everything is good actually. We're going home after 10 days and we're gonna ask now to the big trainer if he's happy or that we better go back to Holland, sell some tires and do some other things. What do you think?
To be honest, was not so bad. No, it's not so bad. One, the first guy was Lars because he did all days, all training, all thing. The second one was maybe Wasson. I don't know so much. Oh, hello. And the third was L'Enfant because he had like my grandmother. He back home. He back on the family house because I want to kill him. And what you say, L'Enfant?
La Fande, what you think? Tell me in English what you think.
Ça s'est bien passé.
It's good.
It's good.
Yes.
Appointment in 2 weeks. À Pluntage.